I bet you didn't know what peptides are and why everyone in the skincare world is talking about them. If you're looking to improve your skin's elasticity, reduce wrinkles, or simply achieve that youthful glow, peptides might just be your new best friend. Let's dive into the science behind peptides and why they're a must-have in your skincare routine. Peptides are short chains of amino acids, which are the building blocks of proteins. In simpler terms, they're like tiny messengers that tell your skin cells to perform specific tasks. One of their main roles is to signal the production of collagen and elastin, the proteins responsible for keeping your skin firm, smooth, and youthful. As we age, our body's natural collagen production slows down, leading to sagging skin, fine lines, and wrinkles. Peptides help fight this process by boosting collagen production and repairing damaged skin. They also improve your skin's barrier function, making it more resilient and hydrated. Think of peptides as your skin's personal trainers, pushing it to stay firm, plump, and radiant. When applied topically through serums or creams, peptides penetrate the outer layer of the skin and send signals to your cells to kickstart collagen production. What's amazing is that peptides work well with other skincare ingredients like hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, and antioxidants to enhance their benefits. Not all peptides are the same. Here are a few types commonly found in skincare products. Signal peptides stimulate collagen and elastin production. Carrier peptides deliver essential minerals to your skin. Neurotransmitter peptides relax facial muscles, reducing fine lines. Each type plays a unique role, so choosing the right product depends on your skin's needs. Peptides are suitable for almost all skin types, and they're gentle enough for sensitive skin. Whether you're looking to prevent signs of aging or reverse damage, peptides are a powerhouse ingredient that can transform your skin. Now that you're well-versed in the power of peptides and their essential role in your skincare routine, are you excited to incorporate them into your daily regimen? Share your favorite peptide products or any burning questions in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest skincare tips. Can't wait to see you in the next video. Outro logo and soothing background music.